Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless noise-canceling headphones. These headphones are the latest addition to Sony's lineup of premium over-ear headphones, and they come packed with some really impressive features. First off, let's talk about the design. These headphones have a sleek and modern look, with a black matte finish and a minimalist design. The ear cups are made of a soft and comfortable material that feels great on the ears, and they can be adjusted to fit any head size. The headphones also come with a hardshell carrying case for easy transportation. Now let's talk about the most important feature of these headphones, the noise cancelling. The XM5s feature Sony's advanced noise cancelling technology, which is able to block out a wide range of background noise. I've tried these headphones in a variety of settings, including on a plane and in a noisy coffee shop, and I can say that the noise cancelling is truly impressive. It really allows you to focus on your music or podcasts without any distractions. The XM5s also have some great controls that are easy to use. There's a touchpad on the ear cup that allows you to control playback and adjust the volume, and you can also use your voice to control the headphone via your smartphone's virtual assistant. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The XM5s feature high-res audio, which means that they are able to reproduce high-quality audio files with incredible clarity. I'm a bit of an audiophile, so I really appreciate the detail and depth of the sound that these headphones produce. So, how do these headphones perform according to other users? Well, on AliExpress, the XM5s have a rating of 5 stars out of 5, with over 9 reviews. Users have praised the headphones for their sound quality, comfort, and noise cancelling, and many have said that they are the best headphones they've ever owned. Overall, I would definitely recommend the Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless noise cancelling headphones. They're a bit pricey, but they're worth the investment if you're looking for a high-quality pair of headphones that can provide an immersive audio experience. I've included a link in the description below. If link doesn't work, you can search on AliExpress using the search code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.